Hey friends, it's Sarah Breck, your local Boise real estate agent who reads market reports so you don't have to. It's May 2025 and I've got everything you need to know about what's actually going on in our housing market, what the numbers mean, how it affects you, and where the smart moves are, whether you're buying, selling, or just Zillow stalking your dream home from the couch. Let's dive in. Section 1, Big Picture Vibe. Let's zoom out real quick. Inflation slowed in April to 2.3%, the lowest in 4 years, thanks to cheaper gas and groceries, though housing costs are still climbing. So what does that mean for us? The Fed hit pause on interest rate hikes, which means mortgage rates probably won't change much. But builders are feeling the squeeze from new tariffs, which could increase the cost of new homes by over $9,000. And since here in Idaho, new construction makes up a whopping 40% of our local listings compared to just the 17% nationally, that hits us harder in Boise. Section 2, Local Economy Buzz. Here at home, Idaho's unemployment rate is still sitting pretty at 3.7%. And while job growth has slowed a bit, we're seeing some wins in manufacturing and professional services. And get this, the College of Western Idaho just announced a big move. They're building a brand new downtown campus, complete with programs in tech and business. That's a long-term investment in Boise's brain power, and great for housing demand near downtown. Section 3, Ada County Market Breakdown. Let's talk about prices. So, the median sales price in Ada County dipped to $545,821. Down 1.7% year over year. That's not a crash, it's more of a slow slide, and honestly, it's giving buyers some breathing room. The biggest drop, newer resale homes less than 5 years old, which fell 26% in median price. But hold on, it turns out those homes were also 7% smaller on average, so that explains a chunk of it. We had 742 homes sold in April, which is a little less than last year, but almost 10% more than March. So we're heating up. The MVPs, older resale homes, we're talking 21 to 50 years old. Those saw the biggest surge in sales, some up to 60% month over month. And we've got 1,342 homes under contract right now. That's 8% more than last year, and more than half are older homes. Buyers are getting comfy with charm and character again. So what about inventory and days on market? Well, inventory is on the rise, up 22% from last month and 35% from last year. That's great news if you've been waiting for more options. And here's the twist. While the average home sits for 40 days, older homes are flying off the shelf in about 20 days. Even new construction is picking up speed, selling in about 22 days. Quick market recap. Median price, $545,821. Homes sold, 742. Pending sales, 1,342. Inventory, 1,890. Average days on market, 40, but only 20 for older homes. Market still slightly in the seller territory, with MSI being 2.7. Section 4, what this means for buyers. Buyers, this is your window. There are more homes to choose from, prices are softening, and motivated sellers are back on the menu. If you're open to homes with a little vintage charm, aka not brand new, you'll find more value and less competition. Pro tip, if you've been eyeing new construction, now's the time to lock something in before prices rise and those higher builder costs. And one great thing about new builds is there's always promos going on. This can sometimes help you buy the rate down or have other perks to it. Section 5, what this means for sellers. Sellers, don't panic. This market still favors you if you price it right and prep it well. This is where you lean on a trusted advisor. Homes that shine and don't have sky-high price tags are still selling fast, especially those 20 to 50-year homes with solid bones and good updates. At the time of this publishing, I just closed on a sale where we got a great, practically full price offer, but it was all cash and off market. We closed very quickly, so it is still a great time for sellers. And with pending sales on the rise, it's clear buyers are back and ready to write offers. So let's make sure yours stand out. So that's the Boise market breakdown for May 2025. If you want help navigating the data or figuring out your next move, hit the link below to book a buyer or seller consult. Totally free. I would love to connect. Or you can just sign up for my monthly market updates so you're always one step ahead. Don't forget to like this video, share it with a Boise friend, and hit subscribe. Until next time, take care.